So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to position and arrange an image here on easel. So the first thing you have to do is open up the easel application. Once that is done, simply go to the right side of your screen and press on the images button right here to add an image to your design. So press on images right here. I'm just going to go ahead and change my images to stock images for this demonstration. And how about I use this image right here of what appears to be what's a good image that we can use? How about a bunch of different Scrabble tiles? Just like that. Now, what we mean by arranging and positioning an image here is, let's just say, for example, I wanted to use another image. So I'll use this image right here of what appears to be a bunch of different luxury sports cars. So by default, it actually has this image right here placed above this image. So if I move it around, if I make it larger or smaller, it's always going to be in front of the previous image. But if you wanted to put this image to the back, for example, and bring the other image to the front, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image, go to the top left right here to where there's an option that says position. So it's right in between rotate as well as effects. Press on position, then go to either send to the back, bring forward, whatever the case may be, and this basically moves around the position and the arrangement of these images here in easels. So fairly straightforward, but that is how you guys can position and arrange an image here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.